2004 Jag 4.2 head reinstall. So here's the head, just home resurfaced with a plate, sandpaper. Done it before, it works fine, works great. Less than 1,000th gap it touched off, so less than 1,000. That's, I think code is 3 or 4 thousandths. Anyway, so I got the gasket laid in there. I got a real good deal on the gasket set. Surface has been cleaned up, honed, multi-layer gasket. I got a really good deal on a brand new gasket set, less than half price, and it was brand new Euro spare. So here's the head, manifolds on it, because you can't get the manifolds off before you take the heads off because that heat shield, can't get to it. Had to cut the bolts and retap them. They were heat seized, but I did this on another Jag, worked fine. So here we go. It's a little bit heavy, but it's not that bad once you get them on there. I already have the other one on there torqued. Worked my way down up to 54 foot-pounds according to what I saw online, and then 90 degrees after that. You can really, when you get to that point, you can feel it that you have them torqued right. Because just if you do mechanics much, you kind of know where you are on bolts. You have a lot of experience with bolts. Anyway, here we go. I'm nursing a pulled back, but it's getting better. Ooh, let's see if we can get this on there without much problem. All right. Can't really see what's going on back there, but try to keep from screwing up the gasket. It's just a little awkward. As soon as you feel the tabs, it'll go. Where are they? There it is, I think. All right, hold on. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we'll get it. I can't see. It should be close right there. I gotta move this. All right, let's see. There's one. Just a second. That's one. Let me put it up here. There it is. All right. Just the manifold gives it a lot more weight, but like I say, you see there's no room. So if you can get the manifolds off before you take the heads off, more power to you, but I don't see how you can do it. So I just disconnect the pipes and took them out together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the bolts. They say I put new bolts on it, and I did my other Jag. This one I didn't because I measured the bolts, they weren't stretched. So I didn't pay much for this car. It was in immobilization mode when I bought it. It's just dirty from sitting under here, but I only paid $1,600 for this car, and cost me $2,700 or $2,400 to get it out of immob. I gotta get the key. And I had to put a fuel pump in it when I bought it, but after that it did great until we took a trip across country and blew the head gaskets. But we can get new bolts, but I said, you know what, I'll measure these. They measured exactly what they're supposed to measure, and I just reuse them. If something goes wrong, no big deal. Just a second. All right, got the head bolts in, got them oiled, cleaned. Probably shouldn't be saying this because I'm sure people will have their little comments, but one of them was a little bit bent from where I took it out right there before, but I put it in the front right there, so if something were to happen, it would be easy to get to. But now we're going to run these down 13 millimeter. This isn't putting much torque on it at all. So. Okay, that doesn't sound good. One, it might have some trash in there or something, I don't know. It's not bent because I put the bent one that I straightened right here in the front. All right, let me see. Hopefully it's not too tight or bound. I think I hear trash. I don't know if I can get it back out. I can get it out. Okay, cool. That's not. Uh-oh. Didn't see that. Didn't see that it got messed up. Put a little bit of oil there. We can get it to go now, I hope. I hope that's not what I think it is. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. It must have had trash. A little piece of trash or something. There it goes. Okay, now we'll just guesstimate a little bit on this. Run them down a little bit each time. That one up there is kind of a little bit tight. Yeah, it's weird. Weird. Other side was it seemed like it was that way. All the way down. Okay. I gotta locate my torque wrench that I just had yesterday. Just right there where I left it. Imagine that. All right, hold on. All right, come on. A little at a time. There's a little. The top one's pulled up more than that one, so must not have gone all the way down. There we go. A little bit. All right, get on there. There you go. Let me go over here. That's pretty good. Just set on 54, so you get the idea. Just start in the middle and work your way out. You can do it by the book and go to 22, 43, 54, and then a 90, but I just kind of do it by feel. I can pretty much get a good idea where I'm at, and it works fine. So let me go ahead and do this, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so I got them almost all torqued, this last one, so you'll be able to feel it or maybe hear it click. You don't want to jerk a torque wrench, you want to do it slow. There it goes. Well, I thought it did. There it goes. It's 54. Now, well, actually 55 on my torque wrench, but now it says to go 90, and you can actually kind of feel the bolt. So it's probably not going to be 90, but it'll be close. So you can feel it getting tight, and a little bit more than that. You can kind of feel the tension on it, and that's pretty much it. You can go over them a couple of times, just go behind yourself. Other than that, it's not that bad. A little bit heavy, probably a two-man job, honestly, but I'll work alone. So I'll be doing the intake and the timing hold down kit for your cams is usually, I think it's the same, or 4 liter. It is a 4.2. I have one for a 4 liter, and I know how to do it. You can get the kit on probably Amazon. I got a kit off eBay for 40 bucks. Works great, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.